Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're checking out this motion detector floodlight. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing is pretty neat, guys. It did have to be wired directly in, so I ended up putting in a power box up here to wire it. But you know, took a little extra time, but hey, it was worth it because now I don't have to recharge this thing. I don't have to worry about a cord dangling to plug it in. It's all wired, ready to go. Each of these lights is adjustable. There's a little hand screw here that I can loosen and then adjust them up and down, turn them left and right, point them in the direction I want so that they can capture the things that are in the yard. It's got a camera, which can also be adjusted back, forth, up and down. So you can make sure you point it towards your yard, towards your driveway, whatever's important to you. I have mine facing out just into my front yard where the deer cross because I love watching the deer and I like to watch them at night when normally I can't see them because that's when they come out here and feed. This thing was pretty easy to set up and it did come with pretty much everything I needed. It came with the wire nuts. It came with this seal so that no water gets in and causes a short within the electrical wires. It came with all the screws, all the equipment, everything but the box, which you should already have if you do have a light where you're planning on setting this one up. I then had to install the app. With the app, I can open up the camera at any time, view what's going on. I can zoom in, zoom out, kind of get an idea of what's going on. Also inside the app, there's a speaker that I can talk back and forth through the camera. So if there were somebody at my house that I wanted to let know, like a FedEx guy was here and I wanted to let him know to leave a package or to not leave it, I could talk to him through the camera. The spotlight is pretty bright. I can see quite a ways out there. And you see it's lighting up my deck. It's lighting up quite a ways past. Enough that I can see anything close to the house. It also has a service you can subscribe to, which will allow you to save videos to a cloud. With the free trial, I believe it is an 8-second video that it'll save, but you could have it save. And then also with the subscription, you can set it to pick up whether the motion is people or animals, and then shut it off for one or the other, so that if you don't want a video every time the dog walks past your place, you don't have to have it catching those clips, and it'll only catch the people and or cars, whatever you set it to. I tell you what, this thing is working pretty good in my yard, and I do recommend this.